Apple cinnamon still cut oats in the Instant Pot. You guys know that I love my Instant Pot, so I'm going to share this super simple, easy breakfast recipe. You're going to take 1 cup of oats, and you can use still cut oats or rolled oats, and you're just going to measure it out, pour it into the Instant Pot. Super easy. Then you're going to take 2 cups of water, and you're going to do the same thing, 2 cups of water to 1 cup of oats, and you're just going to pour it into the Instant Pot. Then you're going to take your favorite apple. I like Gala because it's sweet. And you're going to chop it up, and then you're going to pour that into the Instant Pot. You're going to take some cinnamon, and you know me, I love my cinnamon. It's like, do you want some oatmeal with that cinnamon? And you're going to pour it in there. You're going to take some vanilla, squeeze some vanilla in there to your liking, and then you're going to stir it all up. And make sure to stir it really well, because I know the cinnamon and water doesn't mix, but once you get it in there and stirred really well, it's going to taste so good when it's done, when it's cooked. So you're going to take the Instant Pot and put it on the rice setting. That's my favorite setting for any type of the grains. And you're just going to push start, and it's going to set for about 12 minutes. Now, when you're done, you're going to open it up. Oh my goodness, I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so good. And you're going to stir it up. Make sure to stir it up well. You're welcome to add some more water to it if you want to thin it out a little bit more. I personally like it a little thicker. I just like that taste. It's just very comforting, and it just reminds me of a homemade cooked oatmeal. So, it just smells so good, guys. And then you're going to put it into a bowl. I like to slice some fresh apples and put it on top, garnish it with some apples, and then I made some coconut whipped cream. Super easy to make. It's also in the vegan bundle as well, and there's 2,000 recipes in there, but super easy. And it's like basically dessert for breakfast. And you're just going to put some of that coconut whipped cream on there, put some nuts on there, and you're just going to garnish it up. I have some date paste that I made with dates and water, and it just gives that sweet little taste. Again, this is dessert for breakfast. It is so delicious. And there you go. You have your apple cinnamon still cut oats with walnuts and apples and coconut whipped cream on top for your liking. So don't forget, the vegan bundle's 5 more days, and then the deal is over with. So get your vegan bundle today.